Now let us discuss 7.0. For an ideal solution, the correct option is. This is a conceptual question. We have to remember these points. For ideal solution, the delta mix of entropy is greater than 0 and delta mix of volume is equal to 0 and delta mix enthalpy is equal to 0. For delta mix G, its value is less than 0. This is the condition for ideal gas formation. Let us verify the given options. Here delta X mix greater than or equal to 0. That means here delta mix S equal to 0. So eliminate the first option. Here volume equal to 0, not equal to 0. So option eliminate the option 2. Here delta mix G equal to 0, but its value is less than 0. So option 4 is also eliminated. Is our correct answer. That is delta mix H is equal to 0 at constant temperature.